Orochi Network just dropped a major update. And if you've been mining before May 2025, this is the moment you've been waiting for. A new rewards distribution is happening right now. If you were active during the ONACTIVE phase from February to early April, you're eligible to claim bonus $on tokens. Here's how it works. Go to sign in with your Orochi ID, connect your wallet, and lock in your rewards. Important, you can only connect a wallet once, no changes later. Be precise. The deadline to connect is July 21st, 2025. If you miss it, your earned $on will be gone. But here's where it gets interesting. Even if you missed the early mining wave, now's the time to start. Because the Orochi Network ecosystem is just getting started. And from what we've seen so far, the earlier you contribute, the more upside you unlock. Remember, this is not just another passive mining project. Orochi is building real infrastructure backed by the Ethereum Foundation, used by over 40 blockchains and dApps. Their tools like zkDatabase, ONProver, and Oracle are solving real-world problems in privacy, scalability, and data integrity. And guess what? As new phases roll out, it's very likely that active contributors, meaning people who prove, share bandwidth, or support the system, will continue getting rewarded. So, if you missed on active, don't sit this one out. Start now, mine on tokens through your browser with ONProver, and be part of the next reward wave. All you need is a device, internet connection, and your wallet. Use my referral link below to get started. Not only do you support the channel, but you'll also join a growing community of early contributors before the next drop hits. Link in description. Start mining today. More updates are coming soon.